Today is Saturday, February 20th, and my people, it's about that time.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today we are looking at a crypto watch list. This one has been sent to me from one of our community members, and after checking it out, I got back to the people and let them know I wanted to do a video. This will be a sponsored video on UNISTAKE. I think it's an up-and-coming blockchain project you should definitely keep your eye on because it's doing a lot for the Uniswap community, using some innovative economy methods to get this job done. And I think it could make you some money in the near and dear future. Oh, and by the way, if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, also known as the Crypto Trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you can profit as a result. Today is no exception. So what we do, man, we got the #1 Bitcoin group in the world on Facebook, #1Bitcoin. Come on in there. I'm giving away free Bitcoin every single video I do. All you needed to do was yesterday share this post, right? Yeah. Let's see how many people did. Look like we had 12 people did. Today is February 20th, 2-2. Let's go 4 from the top. 1, 2, 3. Ms. Newbie Queen, good to see you. 4. Seamus Timothy, my man. You are the winner. Please send me your Bitcoin wallet on Facebook. I'll send you a couple bucks BTC as a token of my appreciation. It's just that easy to get paid, people. So if you haven't done it already, subscribe right now. Turn your notifications on. I'm giving away some more Bitcoin today, right? So on tomorrow's video, we gonna pick the winner from today. So share this post to win free Bitcoin. Boom, 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 right? And we drop this thumbnail in there. So you share that post right now, and we gonna come on the air in about 24 hours and give away some more free BTC. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and make this money. This is UNISTAKE, providing liquidity and staking equity at the same time, built to work on Uniswap v2. So Uniswap is kind of like, you know, literally the new unicorn in the market. Like when these guys picked that logo, I think they knew what they were doing. Unicorn, for those of you that don't know, a unicorn in the technology field is, you know, an investment that surpasses $1 billion or more, right? So essentially, you know, the CJBs and the VCs and the big money behind the scenes, I think they have kind of made this opportunity, especially through this new economy, the Uniswap economy. That's going to be a big deal. That's not going away anytime soon. And I guarantee you there will be a day in the future when that economy is valued at more than $1 billion. It's literally inside the token's name, the economy's name, the blockchain's name, right? So this is the platform. The platform is really built to supplement the value that is created for users. Basically, when you stake a coin, the economy loses that equity. They lose that utility. They lose that coin. You know, in new coins, this could actually be detrimental to the purpose that the coin was originally built, because you have people seeking financial incentive. You're reducing the circulation of the coin, and then the utility of the coin essentially is compromised, right? And so that's a problem. And so now these guys have kind of innovated, you know, pivoted, as we like to say in the business world, and came up with new ways to reward users for utilizing their staking methodology, right? And they have this little video. Let's see if we can pull it up. I'm gonna show this video real quick, and then we will be back to run through the charts and the price and give you guys a little update on the market. Here you go.
DeFi offers a world of opportunities for investors wanting to get behind their favorite projects. One of the most popular ways to get involved is by joining liquidity pools to earn trading fees through the Uniswap decentralized exchange. Another popular and profitable option is through what's called staking. Staking is the act of setting aside tokens for a period of time in exchange for a steady return. Both of these options are great ways to increase your token holdings, but the question has always been which one to choose. Until now, UNISTAKE enables users to join the much-needed Uniswap liquidity pools while simultaneously benefiting from staking returns and receiving bonuses from locking up tokens for longer. Use multi-stake to provide liquidity to 3 tokens at once and receive 2 sets of trading fee revenues. Up to 3 lots of dividends from staking and a share of all revenues derived from the UNISTAKE platform. Enter traditional Uniswap liquidity pools with 2 tokens, but with the added bonus of predictable returns from staking. Or join liquidity pools easier than ever before with Pool Share. Provide liquidity with only 1 token and share trading fee profits with other users who have the tokens you don't. UNISTAKE empowers DeFi projects in their quest for liquidity and delivers communities new incentives and easier ways to support the projects they love. UNISTAKE, do both.
And so there you go. I think it's a really interesting spin on the staking versus equity versus trading kind of dilemma, the paradigm that we often have to undertake as crypto traders and as blockchain technology, blockchain asset accumulators, and these guys look like if they've done a pretty good job putting this thing together front to back. You find a lot of reviews online for it when you go to look. I think they have a very active and engaged Discord channel. I will include a link. This is the light paper, as they call it. I'll include a link of this for you guys to review in the description, as well as a link to their website. So you can definitely go check them out on your own. As they mentioned, they do have the different staking capabilities. And I think the biggest thing, when you're looking at proof of equity versus proof of work coins, staking versus trading, at the end of the day, the only thing you really want to know is the asset that I'm holding set to increase in price? Check yes, check no. Because the problem is with other coins, as we've seen, say for example, Pivx or Dash, these huge proof of equity coins, if you're staking something that's going down in value, say Pivx, don't want to throw these guys under the bus, it is what it is. Over the course of what? Let's look at them for, even just 2020. Pivx got kicked in the chest, something nasty, right? And so if you're staking something that basically decreases in value 80%, it's not really helping you in the longer term. And right now, I think because this chart is so new, like look at this thing right here. It literally, was birthed to the world, and so far as the real dollars are concerned, February. So you're getting in about 3 weeks to date. This thing 3 weeks out the womb, and so far as the chart is concerned. And then let's see here. Let me see if I can pull up my little paint. Can we do this? They're gonna let me do this? Hey, yeah, let's do that, right? And I tell you guys, on my channel, it's 3 parts to any given cycle: breakout, breakdown, and flatline. 9 out of 10 times, the next action you get will be up and to the right for a continuation breakout. Holla at your boy for just bringing that, bringing them on the top arrows over our Google Chrome and, showing y'all how to freestyle on a Fibonacci when it ain't even no Fibonacci right there. But if you could imagine, we could pull this thing up on TradingView and you just get the little bars of the Fibonacci from here to here, we will be coming up probably on the 4.2 to the 4.6, about to start a new cycle. And depending on where you anchor that thing in there, you can kind of just see it's set in different scales right now. And I showed in the last Bitcoin chart how one energy cycle, one breakout, breakdown, flatline, complete segment could just birth a whole new, a whole new energy field. And this thing definitely, I think it's going in the right direction right now. And you look at coin market cap, this thing is 500, I want to say 510 right now. And that's pretty good. It's got a market cap of 32 million. Something about them threes, once you get above the 3.6, the 3.2, and once you get above 32 million, 32.6 million, 32 million, 36 million, chances are you hit your head on 52 or 58. It's just something about those it's like the 1/3. Once you pass 1/3, then you run up to 2/3, 1/2, somewhere in there, right? And so this thing, nonetheless, I think it's a pretty cool coin. I think it's a new take on an old problem in the crypto market, and I think you could definitely, look at some value coming through this economy in the near and dear future. A lot of big major money players, don't actively trade their money. They kind of look like they'll park it somewhere and let time work for them, so to speak. And that's really what we capture in the boss method under the 231 simple moving average. When you multiply that thing out, those are people who actually only move their money once or twice a year because they have so much money that it's so expensive to move it and so hard to move it and so few places that they can move all of it to. That, they kind of just lock it up for like 6 to 9 months at a time. And, I think a lot of those players will find value in an economy like this, and it might be starting to show. But before it really gets fooled out here. I remember the first time I did a video on Neo, and I gave the buy signal on Neo down at like $2. You know what I'm saying? And they just signed a contract with Microsoft Azure, and they did a big blockchain conference, and they had other couple partnerships. And I'm like, y'all better get you some Neo. And looking at this, I could definitely see that this being a very similar situation, kind of like it's just a new innovation for a new economy. That I think is really set to do some major things in the crypto space and on the blockchain in the years to come. So there you go, man. Shout out to the people for sending me this one. I know it was some communication over in Telegram with my man Adam. I appreciate the insight, and all the different things you were able to try and support and supplement this. I think it's a great coin. We're in a new year, a new age, a new damn decade. I've been doing crypto, for a few years now, and I haven't seen this much excitement, in a very long time, and this much promise from some of these newer coins. I think, when you look at what's happening right now in the market, BTC $50,000. Just look at that number on the top left-hand side. That's why I leave it there. So when these words reach whoever they reach, you can see that this is a dynamic market. Money doesn't sleep. Energy doesn't stop moving. The water will never stop flowing. It's a beautiful thing. And so, when you're able to capture a fraction of it and just spin it and reciprocate it and continue to realize that value inside the same economy, I think it's a major opportunity. I think that's what these guys are attempting to alleviate, to try and bring together for pain points, right? That's what we call a pain point. I think Elon Musk said when you the easiest way is to never go out of business is to solve a problem big enough that everybody needs solved. And when you're talking about liquidity pools, you're talking about staking, you're talking about value over time, and then all the different methods and methodologies that they're using to bring together. It's pretty cool. I think this one could be a slam dunk in the near and dear future. So there you go, everybody. As I mentioned, we are giving away some free BTC. So if you haven't done it already, jump in the Facebook group and share the post for this video. And by the way, we do have number one crypto trading resource available in this community, bossofbitcoin.com. Jump in, drop your email up top if you haven't done it already. And we do have different products and promotions available. The profit package, I'm putting out a new list tomorrow for the people. This will include the top 7 coins swing trade every 7 days. If Uniswap was on a major exchange, then guess what? After this big run it just had in the past 2 weeks, it would be on that list. But unfortunately, and that's one of the things, that's like the opportunity in itself. It doesn't have mainstream usability yet, mainstream trading. That's like a whole economy in itself that these guys haven't even been exposed to. It's literally just a baby. You know what I'm saying? So once it gets on a top 10 exchange, you could probably see some real money being pumped through this token, and that's when you'll probably 10x that price with no problem, right? In addition to that, we got the Boss Alert messages. I've extended the Black Friday sale for the foreseeable future. $3.99 for the first month. You get an updated market video every other day from the boy BK. Portfolio management, anything I could do to help you make as much money as possible, that will be done in that group. I'm trying to open up my mind to the world so that everybody can experience what it is to be financially prosperous in the market. I have been trading, on Dow Jones, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, First Trade, Scott Trade, every other trade, Trading View, Options Express. I've been doing this since '09, baby. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all might not even been alive back then, still walking around in your Pampers, but your boy had. I think the first stock I ever bought was Dairy Mart. I was a freshman, sophomore in high school. I bought AT&T at $28, I want to say, and I bought Disney at like $23. And Dairy Mart, look it up. I think that some other company bought it, but yeah, I remember I just took a vacation. We had just drove to Disney World, and I'm like, people are gonna take more vacations. They're gonna go to Disney World, and my mom works for AT&T, so I'm gonna do AT&T too. So yeah, I've been doing this for a long time. We done evolved ourselves to the blockchain, got a little crypto consciousness in the whole game, and we having fun making money at the same damn time. So with that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out, boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button for a player one time. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh.